Yeah, families, greetings to each and everyone. Uh, it's me, Abraham, the wall, windows, and pillar designer on Gigo. Please, you see, the reasons why I keep saying we should avoid the cut and paste design. Yeah, because this, you're going to incur more cost to your production. Maybe you might think we are expensive, and you're doing this, it will surely get off, it will surely peel off before you contacting us to come and repair it. So you just look at it before, and when I'm done with my design too, you'll see what the results will be. Look at it. There are some with nails, binding wire, and others in there. I say, so look at it. Yeah, look at it. So I always say you should contact the right people for the right work at the right time. Else you'll just be running at loss. You incur more. You say after doing all this, you have to take them off. You buy material, you pay for workmanship, and then everything is being useless. You have to pay, buy material again for the right thing to be done. So you just look at them, look at it. Sometimes people ask me so many questions. I do explain myself to them. That is, if you have the time, I explain myself to them. So please, let's do the right thing. Look at it all over, all over, all over. This is very bad. So please, no matter how expensive you might think I am or we are, please, it's good to do the right thing once and for all. You can't avoid costs when it comes to production or when it comes to building of houses. So please, let's do the right thing. Let's pay for the right job to be done. See, I need not to talk too much about it. You can see it yourself. And sometimes people say, I use POP. How come that others don't use POP? It is true, I may be using POP, but the thickness I give you, that is from the glass frame, from here. The thickness I give you, the projection I give you, those who don't use POP can't give you that projection. I do go, I can give you about 3 inches, 4 inches, depending on the type of design you want. So anyhow you want your design to be, this design determines what to be done. So please, just pay for quality work to be done. Thank you. Families, let's try our best to avoid the cut and paste design. I don't think it's the best for us. You can see from the video yourself. You can see how things are messing up here. So this is before, and when I'm done with my design too, you'll see how it will look like. Just look at it yourself. I'm not trying to condemn anybody's work, but I just want the right thing to be done for you. Choose the best. No matter how expensive you might think it is, choose the best. Because with this, you are incurring more cost. You buy material, pay for workmanship, for work to be done. You can see it is broken down. All this wearing off. You can see them on the ground, peeling off. You can see. So you pay for workmanship, buy material, and do your work. Later, you see no results. Then you still contact someone else to come and do the right thing for you. That is double cost. So please, let's avoid the cheaper one and go for the right thing. You can see them falling off. So please, let's choose the right. Let's choose the right. You can see from the video yourself. So choose the right. All right, families. So this is the end. After we have taken over to correct the mistakes, to correct the cut and paste mistakes. So you can see this is the finishing end of the project. You can see. Nice job. Yeah. So you can see we've given out a good thickness as well. So you check the thickness. So those who ask why do we use POP and other things, the POP there is very vital, and I can give all the details about it, but if you call me I can explain to you one-on-one. Yeah, so this is my profession. If you call, I know how to handle it. You can see this is the end of the project. Everything is intact, absolutely good. You can see have everything accurate. So any design that you want, we can do it, but please try to do away with the cut and paste. Yeah, there are good people there who can do it for you perfectly, but hmm, just do the right thing. When you come across this video via Gigo production group, try and share with a friend. You see the top, the coping, it is falling off, so the owner says we'll come and do it later together with the beam design. He said there's binding wire all along, so we'll come and take it off and redo it. So you can wait for the next episode of this project. Yeah, you can see. Very nice. To me, I always say, as long as you have the glass fixed or the glass frame, at least the frame should be fixed, should be installed before you do the design. It has a purpose. I work not only for the designing, but I do it for a purpose. It has a major role, so always make sure you fix your glass before you let someone do the design for you. Thank you. Good work done.